There's nothing to take a trade on right now, guys. Hopefully something comes up. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, Neil. The RMA went to 290, just came down just 15%. Crazy. ASTS.
Coming up at 8, earnings from Freeport-McMoRan,
Okay.
FCX expecting 20 cents.
ASST.
FCX, Freeport-McMoRan is out now. Waiting for those numbers.
Oh yeah, it's one of the record-breaking snowfall. Record-breaking snowfall. I have a place there, yeah. I actually stay there. My family stays there. Kids stay there. Right. I'm in Nashville right now, but that's one of the bases as well. Destin, Florida.
Actually, FCX not yet out. Waiting for that. Should be out at 8 a.m.
Oh yeah, it's right next to, yeah, Santa Rosa. It's he just split it. So I'm like actually pretty closer to Santa Rosa.
The estimate was 76 cents, so that's a beat for an independent bank.
This MCTR, it did 7. It just jumped up 36% again. What is this craziness?
EVLV, Evolve Technologies, provides business update, reaffirms outlook for positive adjusted EBITDA.
Yeah, so I'm like closer to Miramar.
Update a restatement after the regulatory inquiry.
Small caps. Small caps. Power 20. Small caps. Small cap 20. Just power 20.
I'm interested in MCTR, guys. I am interested in MCTR.
Small caps. Small
What is breaking out? VNCE. Not really. VNCE.
CTR.
It's not breaking out. It just says it as breaking out.
LDOS, Lados contract with TSA valued at $2.6 billion over 8 years. Lima Delta Oscar Sandy.
Lima Delta Oscar Sandy. Lima Delta Oscar Sandy. LDOS. No, we don't care about that one.
ALX Oncology presenting updated data from ASPEN-6 phase 2 trial in
Oh, yeah. No wonder it's jumpy. You're right. Thanks.
X-ray Oscar.
It's 3 days worth of data. That's all.
Just Aaron 20.
It's on the high side. 748. No, TZ is good, and that's a good catch. I wasn't even looking at it. I was just looking at today, how badly it was dropping from this area of 740, 730, and dropping $2.
FCX, Freeport McMoran.
DX'd and XCAR. XCAR had a news yesterday.
Q4 copper, gold,
DXSD, I mean, do you want to touch this? Has a range of $14. Yeah, it's crazy. $14 as well. I mean, it's a, if anything, that is looks like a long to get back to at least 872. No history, so worth avoiding it for sure. It's worth avoiding for sure.
Just Aaron 20.
Yeah, you have no ideas what they will do. SES.
Freeport McMoran reporting 31 cents.
Seriously, all these are new stock? SES looks okay.
Revenue 5.72 billion.
SES we have traded at 192 and 260, 255. It's way too far, so next level is 142. If we can get 142, that would be great. 142 on SES.
Small caps.
That's Foxtrot Charlie X-ray.
So we have traded that, but this would be good at this point. 142, 145.
Fire applies Lugo spacecraft. Begin journey to Lily supported by rocket lab.
Needs to go a little bit higher.
That's Romeo Kilo Lima Bravo.
Used to be very low.
Aaron 20. Just Aaron.
ALXO spiking on that press release on that data. That's ALXO.
Aaron 40.
It's already gone. 20%, that's all. VNCE. I do like this. Vince Holding, but that was, remember, that was a merger news. After hour, it went crazy because of the merger news. I did long on that one. I went long at 350, sold it at 430. 430. I did a long on that one yesterday. VNCE. So it's likely to get to 420. This VNCE. They haven't disclosed what price and what not. It's just a merger, stock merger, all stock merger, 250K investment. That's it. That was crazy. But this was the area I got in yesterday, 360. Looks like it will be a repeat.
GH Garden Health present data that is code GI demonstrating value of precision oncology tools for cancer detection, treatment decisions, and therapy development.
ALXO.
CARE Carter Bank shares reporting 36 cents.
That was quick in and out. Wow.
Charlie Alpha Romeo Echo.
Just went up, slammed. Didn't even see it. They come so fast. 600K volume. Already done. Going in red. No bounce at all.
GNPX, Genprex, expect to complete enrollment of first 5 patients.
That's a miss.
Expansion study
Would have been A plus.
during second half of 2025 for interim analysis. That's GNPX.
GNPX.
Treats small cell lung cancer. That's called the Mepapamba X-ray.
Another news on GNPX lung cancer.
CDT Conduit Pharmaceuticals announcing the first stock split to gain compliance
Didn't GNPX ran just a few days ago?
with NASDAQ $1 minimum bid price required. Listing at $1 million.
$1.42 recently. GNPX long news can work out.
LBO and TSLA live once Tesla bought
Not moving yet.
with over 600,000 users and 33% increase in
That's a long.
That's Lima Victor Oscar and Tango Sandy Lima Alpha.
Phase 2 study for 25 patients to complete. Okay, never mind. Never mind, guys. It's not going to do anything. Never mind. Never mind. It's not going to do anything. So, bought it. Now I got to sell it. It's not going to do anything. Just we'll sell it in a couple of cents. MCTR 620, 550, 537. New stock though. Looks like we're gonna have a very slow morning.
DXST.
DXXT. XT. Oh yeah, that's the new stock again. Sweet popper.
GEG Aerospace CFO said in 2025, do you think spare parts to stay strong? That's Galbeco.
It looks pretty strong to get to at least 8. 8 or 880. 880, I think. Yeah, 880 would make sense.
Aerospace hitting 205.85 at the high of Echo.
VIGL. Yeah, VIGL would be good. 40%. It's only 10 million volume, so that's scary. This VNCE yesterday, guys, was a long right at 350.
Blockchain for next generation innovation. That's
I bought that dip and I sold it at 430.
Small caps.
It was more than 10%. And that news should carry on today as well. It was after hour that the news came out. It's a merger news, so it's a long. This VNCE. If you guys want to take a small position at 360, that might work out. They've gone as low as 343. And I think 343, 340, they get shut down.
Celis Life Sciences.
So the stop is at 330.
For pivotal phase 3 renal trial.
Stop is 330.
Small caps.
Myeloid leukemia. That's Sandy Lima Sandy.
Sandy Lima Sandy.
Parrot 20.
Sandy Lima Sandy. Leukemia News SLS. Dailies are good at 161. Leukemia News though. This 161 is good actually, guys. On SLS. It's up 27% only. Leukemia News SLS.
SLS.
161st level is good. Right here, guys. This
LSH
level
shares
is good.
your lakeside holding on a relatively light volume
Right
still.
there.
It's LSH.
It's not even up 40%.
LS hitting $1.67
News is just coming in.
at the
Leukemia
highs
News.
on that press release.
I'm gonna try one time around 172.
Treatment of acute myeloid GPS acute myeloid leukemia. That's Sandy Lima Sandy.
Okay, guys, I think this was an entry right there. Oh, wanted 170, did not take it. Jeez. Yeah, this would go down all the way to 150, 148. Should have taken 168. Oh, wow. First entry missed right there. 1 second just too late on the locates. Oh, 140. Never mind. 168, that was an entry area, guys. 172, I just looked it up. That was an entry. Now, second time, I don't know if it's going to be any good. I think I'll still take it. Oh boy. That was the first good play that was available to us, guys. SLS short. That was a level. I was reading everything. Just the locate. Just took a little sweet time right there, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Perfectly placed. So you got to get in. Every time it has gone this year to that area, 170, it has failed. And now it's 140. How good was that? A plus gone begging. Anybody get it? SLS? Somebody
No.
had to get it. Oh, come on, guys. Just a little too slow. Mark did at a 162. Nice. Louisa missed it. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, me too. Like, hand was in the trigger, right? It was like, okay, 168, that's an entry. That's an entry. And second one, I'll take it at 180, 178, stop out 188. Bang. And I knew 148 was going to happen. It's a 140. That's a massive, massive sell. Ooh, wow. First play missed. Wow. If we're going to play like this, we're going to keep missing our plays all day long. Oh, Mark even didn't get it. Okay, then. I thought, looks so sweet at 130, doesn't it? Wow, guys. Looks pretty good at 120. Ah, that was sick. All red. So much for that one. So much for that PR. No, the second time would be good too, guys. Third time would be the nasty
Small
one.
caps.
Wow. Well, there's another one coming, guys. LSH. Numbers are not there till like 3:15,
Parrot 20.
but I think it's worth entry now. LSH, guys. Come on, one more push. Oh, come on. Come on, don't die. Don't die, don't die, don't die. 33%. Don't die. It's gone. It's an August stock, but needs to get to at least 280s, 290s. Ah, it's gone. This SLS is gone. It's going in red, SLS, at this point, guys. It's going in red. So much for that news. Wow, SLS, even 140 would have been nice, but again, it was just fader. It was a fader chaser. BNZI. That one goes and goes down pretty hard. LSH is 34% again, guys.
Coming up at 8:30, jobless claims, initial claims 221,000, continuing claims 1.86 billion expected.
I think we should hit it near 170. I mean 270, 275. We should hit it. We should hit it near 275, at least 38-40%. BNZI popping up again. No move there. LSH is again going, but not up enough. 30% is still an A plus. 31%, 33% at 55. Used to move up, but it looks like it's too much weight. Too much weight. Too much weight. It's all going to go in red now. That one is looking red. All red bound. We haven't even opened our account today. OLB, we have done OLB before. Look at that crap. 15K volume. 235, 180. What's going on, man? What exactly going on here? Is my sound not working over here? I gotta check. Para 20, para 40. These are coming in paras, and it's... Yeah, SLS was a big miss. I mean, LSH was a big miss. Everything is a miss. SES was a miss. SLS was the biggest miss. Big miss. Why is this thing not...
Parrot 20.
Okay, so why is it not coming up on the sound of para 20? Because all these are coming on para 20s and I didn't hear anything. Now the para 20s are working today. Sometimes you have to adjust when the market is so slow. You have to adjust to para 20s instead of para 40s and super paras. I know how to adjust, but just couldn't hear any sound.
Good morning. Just signed on. Is anything open?
Obviously, you're not listening. I just said nothing is open, and you just signed in and you asked the question.
I just signed in. That's why.
So
Just came to the office. Okay. I know it's a slow day today.
yep, very slow. Not a single play. Wow. LSH, everything is crazy.
Just heard.
I'm chasing this VNCE, guys. I played it yesterday. Hopefully, yesterday I played it from 350, so it's going in now 369 just now. That's my average. I'll add a little bit more, only 2,500 shares. Guys, somebody's mic is on. Lynn, your mic is on.
Okay.
It's coming up as a little disturbance. Wow, guys, so many good shorts. Just 35%. That's what we have to do.
S&P futures are down 8.75. The Dow futures up 27. Nasdaq down 109.50.
2,500 shares at 369. I'll load a little bit more. Right around 40. Stop out at 30, 22 something. Look for 410, 420.
3,020 at 101,410.
Hopefully has one more move. Everything else is silly. Real silly. All these, everything is LSH would have paid us, and everything would have paid us. Just got to adjust to para 20. I know, Greg, right? Yeah. No, I mean, all these would have been 10%, right? 255 to 225, 30 cents on LSH would be 10%. QLB 210, 184, that's 10%. All these are 10%, but just not up enough and not at the near level entries, whatever, right? So that's the problem.
Para 20.
ASTS, that's not true. Look at that QLB now in red, absolutely red. ASTS is not at 22.49. Hell no. I'm short from that one from yesterday. And there comes my 10%. I just took my 10% on ASTS. I was short from 21 yesterday, guys. I told you guys after hour. It's going to park somewhere around 18. But remember, if you guys were there, that's what I said. It's going to do 18. Sold it at 1984 and also just now 1852. Yes, that's correct. That's correct. That's correct.
Oh, we're in VNCE?
Yes, I am. Long. Freaking nuts.
EVLV getting a pop to the high now after that guidance from the company. Echo Victor Lima Victor.
Go. ELVL? No. Who got a guidance? EVLV, okay. Evolve Technology. Got a guidance.
Small caps.
Yeah, it's a play from yesterday. It's a merger news. It's a merger news, flat line, no volume, but you know, it held yesterday. Should get to 4. We should get our 10%. I mean, not the most reliable stock, but I mean, the real entry is 349, 345. I did that yesterday.
BURU.
Buru.
Will be getting compliance with NYSE, Bravo Uniform, Romeo Uniform, BURU.
BURU. Regaining compliance. That's the news. You know, on the compliance news, they go happy.
Highlights recent acquisition of key worldwide patent portfolio surrounding
It's already up 20%. Jesus.
generator. That's November Echo.
Buru, the happy news. The happy seeker. They just regain a NASDAQ compliance, but if it was hot market, the small cap, this would be shooting up just based on that. It is going from 42 to 47.
NEGG direct listed.
That's kind of 10%.
GPUs and exclusive ABS gaming PCs. That's NEGG.
Buru is a game on for so long.
Lakeland announcing pricing rates of offering of $40 million of common stock. LAKE. $22 per share. OSI Systems reporting $2.42. The estimate was $2.33, so that's a B for Oscar Sandy, India Sandy.
Just heard.
RABN report Corfrey approved as U.S. franchiser. That's Romeo Echo Bravo November. SHOT, Safety Shot reaches an amicable litigation settlement agreement, strengthening financial position. That's Sandy Hotel Oscar Tango. FTHM Fathom announcing Bitcoin payments and treasury strategy. That's Foxtrot Tango Hotel Michael.
Wow, guys, this is unreal. 35 minutes, 40 minutes, and no plays. This is unreal. I mean, it was our fault. We could have had a very good start, at least 2 plays. One for sure. Second was halfway. I saw that, both of them. LSH just needed 270, wouldn't get there. SLS was a huge miss. It was perfect in the area. 96, what a miss. Wow. What a miss. LSH, guys, is at 390 now, 385. I mean, not LSH, VNCE.
Robotics Raptor series. That's RZO.
Yeah, correct. Correct, sir.
Romeo Zulu Oscar.
This actually where it failed last time, right? At 95. Somebody's putting in 300K. All right, guys, I'm going to take 395 here. I just took 395, 2,000 shares out. At least something paid, right? 95, I just took 2,000 shares out, which is almost 60% out. That was the area it rejected. It's going to pass. It's going to pass 4, okay? It's going to do 420. Believe me, it's going to do 420. Just anxious to get the first win. It's going to do 420. I saw this yesterday after hour. There was no doubt about it. If you guys want to take it, it is 96 again. I have taken it. Locked in some profit. There we go, 4. For people who are waiting for 4, you got that too. 404, you got that too. Everybody got their 10%? There you go. I just took 412, guys, and I am 85% of my position out. 410. Thank you, VMCE. Why? I watched it yesterday, okay? I played it after hour. So I know this crap, plus a merger news. When I watch something very closely, I very rarely get wrong. I told you 420 was going to happen, right? No sweat about that. That's what I told you. And let's sell. Hey, 12.5% to start. And almost a couple of $1,000 to start. That's not bad. We're struggling for one win, guys. One win. How good is that chart? How good is that chart? Perfect, actually. Yeah, half size, half size. Small means half size. Greg, you gotta cut that away. Small size, if you keep saying a small, you're gonna keep doing a small. Mentally, you gotta prepare. Say half size, quarter size, full size. Remember, I had this conversation with somebody. I don't remember who it was. I think it was Pete, right? Pete, yeah. I was telling Pete. %, perfect. Not bad at all. So yeah, don't say small size, just say half size or quarter size. Because the minute you say, I'd rather say I played good size than say like I played a very small size. I try to avoid that part. Because the more you say something like that, you're likely to get stuck in that. But good, 40% is pretty good. Yeah, lately, Greg, I've been telling everybody how to be positive in the room, trying to create yourself in a positive frame of mind. It's basically like looking at a glass half full rather than, hey, glass is half empty. Yeah, I watched this stock yesterday, guys. I did that. I don't know. I think I was talking to Neil and I was trading this one at the same time. I posted that in the room. We need a glass. The way things are right now, so slow. We need at least a bottle of beer to start our morning. It feels so bad. I mean, we missed that one. Was crazy. SLS was crazy good. Oh my God, 168. It's all my fault, guys. You guys would have chased it if I would have gotten it at 168. You know, you guys would have chased it. This thing, I'll tell you another thing, guys. Watching this from yesterday, if this thing goes to 440, then you know you're gonna get 380 entry again. It's gonna do it 2 times. But this 430 doesn't break 430. It does not break 430. It does not break 430. And I doubt that. So you probably want to get rid of literally all your positions. I'm down to like 10%. Just probably like around 24 I'll sell it all. If not, it's okay. It's fine. It's a bonus at this point. It's 420 right now. I was targeting 420 anyway. All out. I'm done. It will do 429. I know that, but just got done. You never get max anyway. Oh wow, 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 guys! It broke actually. It broke. It's not a short, Pete. It's a merger news. Define the news first. It's a merger news, buddy. You're going to be foolish to thinking about short at any point. Not today. When the merger news goes away, maybe. Maybe. I mean, yeah, that is a short area. I'm looking at it too. Right at 485 or 477, it's a short. But is it worth tempting short? Nope. It just broke high, so this is probably set for more, guys. I mean, the candle just starting to come in at 0.65. That's what I was looking for. Should have held it a little bit longer. I would have gotten my 429. But I'll take my 13% anyway. Slow morning. Let's just stick with it, guys.
Zenatech acquires KGM Land Survey, second acquisition to accelerate drone innovation in land surveys and establish a Southeast Space Force drone as a service business. That's CENA.
Just time.
Shares of Zenatech getting a pop here. $6.38 or 30 cents. Silhouette of November Alpha.
We'll go back to 380. I've seen it do that.
BKSY, Black Sky ships first Gen 3 satellite for expected launch in February. That's probably Yankee.
Para 20, para 40.
FTHM, guys. FTHM. Whew, never mind. Too quick for its own good.
AIM, Immunotech, announcing publication of final clinical study results for AMP-518 clinical trial on Ampligen as a therapeutic for post-COVID conditions. That's Alpha India Michael.
AIM. If somebody wants to go long at 22, they just made a news, probably will jump up to 34. The spread is wild. You want to catch way too early on AIM at 22. It's already 27 spread. Crazy spread. So VNC yesterday kept doing 429 to 380. I don't know what's going to do today. Look for something similar, I suppose. They just published a paper, that's all. Post-COVID, whatever. This AIM. No. You want SES at least 150 area, 160 area to be safe. You don't want 140. 20 million volume. Leukemia news again. Take a look. I mean, this is dailies. You guys see the chart. This is what we were trading just a few months ago. It has done 250, 260. 115 is not good enough. 140 is not good enough. SES, he got burned. So SES was short, is a short. It's mostly sell volume. That 20 million volume, that's all sell. Oh no, it's SES, never mind. I'm thinking about SLS. No, SES. Yeah, SES is, my bad. SES, you want 140, guys. Yeah, 145. 145. But with the volume, I think we should be reluctant. At 9 o'clock, we should be reluctant. Yeah, 140 is good, but the volume should hold us back. 20 million volume should hold us back. Got you. All right, that's pretty good news, actually. That's pretty good news. So it should keep going up, actually. So buy it on a dip. It's probably long. That news is pretty fantastic, actually. That's pretty fantastic news. No, so he got that one right. That is a long. That news, 10 million. Funding to develop. That's a good news. That's a pretty good news. SES. Buy the dip around 110. That would be pretty good. 108, 110. Buy more at 102. Stop out 96. That would be pretty good, actually. This has recently ran. I expect this will get to 140, I think. This is good, actually, guys. Let's take some. Let's take some to start the position. It's low right now. I mean, I hate 40%. Should get to 130s. Buy more dip. So for me now, the dip is, I gotta buy 105. That's all I can do. 105. I was thinking about these stupid LSH and SLS that we missed. Buy this thing at 110, guys. 108, that's your entry. I've already put in $5,000. On SES long. What are we going to do long today? Market is not even made for longs.
AAPL, Apple popping from the high 224.83 out of Pop Lima. TLSA, Tiziana Life Sciences, not to engage in capital raising activities for the immediate future. That's a press release from the company, TLSA.
Guys, it's almost 9 o'clock and only good play we had was Vince.
EVLV, another pop here, relatively light volume, still on that one, $3.70, EVLV.
14%. Never mind. 108 would be a good entry. But because we are in early, I'm in early, I'll wait. I mean, I don't have bad average, 116, whatever. I mean, even a stock like EVLV goes to 380, comes down 350, whatever. Seriously? You might have to rely on Barrett 20. Remember there was another merger news just a couple days ago and that stock never came down?
WIX and
What was it? Pretty shitty news, I think. Very shitty.
shopping experience that's
BBLX? BLBX? Something. I think there was a news, very similar news. BLBX. Buyout news or whatever. Merger news. It just kept going up and up and up. I don't think market is that like that right now. I was expecting VNC, so it was failing 429 or 429 to 380 yesterday post hour. So it has gone 20 cents above, 15 cents above. So what would be the thing? 395 now? 395 dip. Not happening right now. It's just going up and up and up. Another big candle's coming in. 200K, 300K. $200K, 300K candles are coming. I feel like there would be a little more dip on SES, 38%, 26 million volume. It's the market time drama that's going to happen on that one. And probably just to like, we'll sell it like in 130s, low 130s. I'll be out. I just want to make my 10%. I want to make my $600, $700, get out, whatever. I don't have that much stake in it. But VNCE at 48 now. Alpha Bravo Bravo Victor. Never mind. Never mind that. So Vince is in your short area. Pete, you wanted to short that area? That's in your short area. Man, we let it go a little too quick. But like I said, I talk about it. We take our 12%, we walk away, guys. That's our system. And I'm very happy with that system. It repeatedly pays. So there's nothing disappointing about that. Yeah, 40 cents is a lot of money because we only made 40 cents. We made 50 cents. 368 to 420. So we made 50 cents. We let go of 40 cents, but you can't never go perfect.
Small caps. Small caps. Small caps. Small caps. Small caps.
Must be 9 o'clock stuff, right? MDAI, nope, it's not moving. RVSN, nope, not moving. XCAR could be another one that would have been long. Could have done XCAR long. That had dipped nicely. Yeah, that one we can enter. Yeah, that one has a good news, has a lots of volume. You can leave that long. You don't have to close the position. Yes, 108 is the proper entry. Yeah, that one you can enter. 96 is a stop. Ultimate stop is 96. It's not too far. 70% chance that it would go up to the mid 130s.
Small
Yeah, VNCE still looking like it wants to break further. Forget the dip. Dip is just not coming now. But I think market time, they'll probably push it up with a million, 1.2 million, 1.3 million candles. They will do two more edge, and then after that it will sell.
Shares of Supercom now reversing sharply. SPCB.
Good morning, AKS. So guys, people who joined our live feed, all we did was one play VNCE. We missed a huge one, SLC. We were ready for 168. 1 second of hesitation killed it. But we took a long on VNCE. Why did we take it long? I watched it all day yesterday. I actually traded yesterday from 350, 349 to 420, and I did the same thing today. Right there, guys. Right around 360s. Sold it, majority of it at 415, and that was the only play so far. Probably one of the slowest morning of 2025. Normally I get like about, I think the lowest I've had was 4 plays. But it wasn't that the plays weren't available. There were 3 plays we could have done since I joined in at 8 o'clock. 2 were my mistakes, I didn't take it. But one was great, 12%, 12.5%. Put it up a couple of $1,000. 2,100 actually, $2,174.85. Live feed, we're going to be shutting it off in about a couple of minutes. Thanks for joining. Please, everybody who is logged in live, just click on the like button. You don't have to, you already subscribed. Just click on the like button. Before you close it, click on the like button. That actually helps us with the algos. Whether you're on YouTube or Twitter, just click on the like if you're liking it. If you want to join tomorrow. If you're a freeloader, that's fine too. All right, guys, have a good one, and I will be closing the live feed. And if you want to join HammerXTrader, go on the website, fill out a form. You can join our Discord live trading. We trade from 8 to almost 4 o'clock, non-stop. I'm on the mic, everything is there. So have a nice